Boy, I've had a busy day today. Come and join me and I'll tell you all about it. No! Today has been a busy one. I was on the radio twice. First this morning in English.
Talk to Rydian Hughes, who runs the driving school Car Banana Cymru in Conwy and Gwynedd. He is on the line now. Rydian Borodar, good morning. How are you?
Bore da, good morning. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure.
And again this evening in Welsh.
Jwmpio ar ofnau bobl gyda'r disgwyl hir I cynnig fel swydded yrru neu tystysgrif pas am ddim heb eistedd prawf gyrru wrth gwrs.
I was talking about something really important. Scammers trying to trick people by offering fake driving licenses and even fake pass certificates. So it's important to stay alert and remember the only safe way to book or pay for a driving test is through the official DVSA website. Please don't share your personal details or send money if something doesn't feel right. Stay safe and spread the word to friends and family. Go Bananas.